Now, in Utah, 3 disabled patients were found dead inside a vehicle that transports disabled adults. Police say they died from carbon monoxide poisoning after the driver parked the vehicle with the engine running and left. Christina Sita has more.
It sounds horrific and tragic, and I'm, incredibly sad to hear about this.
Police say an employee of a service that transports disabled adults stopped at his home, leaving the men inside the parked vehicle with the engine running for 1 to 2 hours. The men died from carbon monoxide poisoning. Nate Cripps is a supervising attorney with the Disability Law Center.
I think there are, people with disabilities that could be at greater risk for this. People with disabilities are certainly more likely to be abused or neglected.
Do current laws and regulations do enough to protect people with disabilities?
I think there are some really great, laws and regulations that protect the rights of people with disabilities.
But he says oversight of some service providers could be better.
When it comes to, the oversight of some of, facilities and places where people with disabilities live and receive services, I think there are some problems, some things that need to be improved there.
What should families or community members do if they're worried about safety in disability services or care settings?
If you have concerns about the health and safety of a particular disability, service provider, knowing where they're licensed, I think is important.
Carbon monoxide poisoning in a car can be fatal in anywhere from 5 minutes to 3 hours, depending on the concentration.